Let's go ahead and jump into Instagram story here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture here. Let me just turn the background to a solid color here. And to add a Instagram sticker here, just on top, there's the sticker icon, press that. And you should have a new quiz sticker. If you don't have it, don't worry, update your app. This just rolled out at the end of April 2019. So if you don't have it, give it a little bit. Usually takes a couple of weeks. Click the quiz sticker, and here you could ask a question. You could create option for the answer. You could on top change the color, so there's a variety of different colors you could choose from. And there's the dice option on the bottom. If you press that dice, it will just show some random questions. It will basically pick them for you. But if you don't like them, just go ahead and delete them and ask your question. So I'm gonna ask what's my favorite social media platform. And then here, let me go ahead and press the color option on top. I like this color here. So here it says add at least 2 options. I could add one option here. I'll say Instagram. Option 2, let's say Facebook. And here it says select your answer. So when you're done here, let me just type in all 3 here. You got to select your answer by pressing the check mark here. So when you press done and position it, just make sure you select your answer. Here in this case, I'm going to choose Instagram. So basically A, B, or C, just make sure you select your answer so when people choose it, it gives them the correct answer. I'm going to press done. I'm going to resize it. And again, on the bottom, share it to your story, or if you have close friends set up, go ahead and do that. I'm going to share it to my story. And let's say I choose Instagram and I know it's the correct answer. It's going to give me the correct answer here. So choose Instagram. You see, it's going to give you a correct answer. I'm going to view it on a different profile here, and let me choose the wrong answer. And if you choose the wrong answer, that's the result that you're going to get. Let me X out of that. And let's go ahead and view the results here. So I'll go to this and I'll scroll up. And as you could see, it says 2 people viewed it and the answers from the couple of different pages I got. And you could see the answer next to each one. So Instagram has 1 answer, YouTube has 1 answer. And you could see who viewed it right on the bottom of that. I hope you found this helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for daily social media videos. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.